So in this particular video I'm going to show you, this is my Facebook page. So I'm going to be showing you how you can run a Facebook ad that transfer link to your Instagram page. So click on this place here. When you come down, you can see Ads Manager. Now there is an application on Google Play Store called Ads Manager. So if you've not gotten that application, you can download it. So you click on Ads Manager. Already when I try to minimize it, has taken me to that application because I have it on phone. Now when you click on this spot here that has your name, I just want to show you something there. You can see it's bringing to account your name. So which means that owns your name is where you can pay in cash. And the one that doesn't have your name is where you pay USD card. That is if you have a USD card too. So you can choose anyone you prefer to make payment to. If I want to use that of USD card, maybe per venture I'm using my Barter account. And then let me use this. So it's asking me to create ads. I will click on create ads. Yeah, click on it. Now this particular place here, Princess Blog, that was when I was still blogging too. So I want to change it to Epic Foundation. If you look at this Epic Foundation very well, I have linked it already to my Instagram account too. That is Epic Foundation Instagram account. So both has been linked together. Now you can see there are different options here that he has given me. Post engagement, get more people to see and engage with your posts. Video, promote your video to get people attention. Maybe per venture what you want to do is just a short video. You don't use the maximum length of video you use for ad is 30 seconds. You don't use lengthy video that will get people boring and bulky. And most time people use either animation video or explainer video or an ad, whatever they feel like. It depends on the creativity of what someone wants to do. Or send more people to your website. Yes. Now say really show your ads to maximum number of people. There's even between showing and reaching one target audience. Get more people to message you in Messenger, WhatsApp, or Instagram directly. Now say page like get more event response. But based on what you want to do, the best thing I'm going to ask you to do is messages, because you want people to interact with you. So, and specifically if you are doing something like this, you need to pick an image that looks very good and okay. Like when I mean very good and okay, I mean you need to work with very nice graphics. You need to work with the very nice graphics. So let me just pick this for mine. So that's the image. It's not asking me message destination, messenger, Instagram. Headline. You can see. Now I pick messenger. I can choose to pick Instagram. I pick messenger. Let me just say, let me change this image to this training I just completed. Let me put the secret of smartphone usage in making money, because your headline topic has to be something that will attract people. Primary terrace, the power of smartphone photography and graphics design in 21st century. So one just has to look for something creative that is catchy. Now call to action, this is very, very important. I say shop now, book now, learn more, sign up, apply now, get offer, get send message. Now because by the time you are through with your ad, it's going to show all these things there. Call to action. So I will advise, based on what you want to do, is get offer. Get offer will be better instead of using that donate, subscribe, or contact us. And get offer will be better. Or you can choose to make use of contact us. So special ad category, you turn this on. Now When you turn that on, you can start related to credit, employment, housing, social issue, election, or politics. So this template message, you can choose to edit it. You can say, welcome people to the after they tap on your ad. Hi, please let us know how we can help you. Hi, welcome to Epi's Foundation. Unveiling the hidden potential is our agenda and mandate. You can apply for a mentorship program on graphics design, smartphone design. So it just has to be something short that is catchy, or you can say, kindly let us know how we can help you with our services. You get, so have a preview. You just give me a lower contribution. So can let us know how we can. You get, so I haven't done that. Placement, automatic recommendation. Now you can see this particular ad now, because I told you I've linked my Instagram page already to it. It's going to be showing both on my Facebook and my Instagram. You know, Facebook and Instagram is owned by Google. Facebook owns both Instagram and WhatsApp. So here I can preview, or currently it's not showing preview. So I haven't done all this. I'll then move. Can you now see this is the main place that I want your attention? Who should see this? Who should see? So here now I'll just click on this place here. Create new audience. I'll click on new audience. I can rename this to be real estate. Now include this location. You told me about either Nigeria and diaspora. So Nigeria is picked automatically. I just put United Kingdom, South Africa, United States, Malaysia. So your own is to keep picking those countries, as many countries as you keep picking those countries in order to get your target audience. I haven't done that. You saved. So the age group, just leave it at this age group. So do you want to exclude any location? If there's no need excluding any location, because Lagos, Nigeria is a region. You will see something that is going to tell me now. You can select location that overlap your audience. Somebody said to Nigeria, do you want to search Lagos instead? Cancel. Because in Nigeria hosts Lagos. You get, so the same thing is applicable to Abuja. So why am I saying this? I needed to do that so that you can see that if target audience is not well set, one cannot achieve its goal for this. So should I say add more to this? Spain. So gender, or both male and female. Now you need to include people that match this your work you're about to do. So you pick business owners, politicians, real estate investment, real estate bank, suggestion government. As a suggestion, just so I haven't picked all that. Then I need to be careful what I pick. You get. Can you now see which specific audience by looking at I want to cycle this. Can you reach specific audience by looking at their interest activities, the page they have liked interests. So I'll click on it. Business and industry, family and relationship. You can see different. Now let's look at business and industry. Agriculture I pick, architecture I pick, aviation I pick, banking, investment banking, retail banking. So I just pick any of those things I know that will help me to reach out to my target. Construction I pick, design, fashion design, graphic design, interior design. These people, they need land, they want to build house. So keep picking. Engineering, entrepreneurship, healthcare, higher education. Some of them need the land to start a new school, nursing, online. No matter how someone can be doing online business, he will build the house now. He needs somewhere he or she will be staying with his family. And everybody is aspiring to also get their own properties. So real estate, retail. Now some real estate people are looking for more land, so they can get partner with you, advertising. And you keep growing, and they also are growing. You make from the money they make, and life goes on. Entertainment, you know, there are some crazy people in the entertainment industry. So you just come to movies and music, you just pay. So specifically, you are looking at those places that you know you can get your audience from. Fine, there is no way that our audience could not be sometimes music. So just focus on places you know that when it comes, you are going to hit it down. TV interest. Talk to some of these people, they need lunch. So technology, computer. Please, they will not die on computer work. Even their computer need an office to stay. So I haven't picked. So it still depends on what you want to pick, which will be based on education and employment, which will be based on purchase behavior. Find any partner. Now, you see, this purchase behavior is very, very important. So, soccer, travel, politicians, real estate. So you can search for your behavior. So but then I'm going to be sending some keywords to you. You can make use of while doing this. So these two, real estate. So you can just search for those keywords. You highlight them to boost ranking. Just churches wants to buy land. So I haven't done that. You click on that. Now, which people detailed targeting expansion, which will be beyond your detailed targeting selection when it's likely to improve performance. You can see your audience is broad and has a potential reach of 270,000 million people. So it depends on the target audience that you set that will determine the audience you will reach. If your target audience is not well set, you can see detailed expansion after click on it. So once this is done, you click on that. You move to next. You select your currency, Nigeria, time zone. And let me see West Africa. Okay, Lagos time GMT. That's so you see campaign budget, is it daily, is it a lifetime stuff? Run out continue. You can start now. You want to continue. If it does not want, you stop. You want to start later, you can put the date delivery, bid strategy, automatic mention. So having done all that, so you are good to go. Just launch your ad payment method. Just make your payment that you can. So card name, card number, once all those things are done, just have to save them, and once it is saved, location, and so once that is picked and your ad is saved, you are good to go. Let me just put start now. So I'll be spending nothing less than let me just say 7,000 naira per week for this ad that I want to do. 7,000 naira per week if I'm running this ad. So, and this ad has the opportunity to take place both on your Facebook and Instagram account. That is, if you are able to link both. The view is not showing. So since I'm not running that now, I just save drafts. But if I want to do something, I want to, the draft I saved is here. This is it. So and it just, once the payment is made, place order, and then the ad will be live. So through this same place, I can then view to check how my ad is running and the likes. So basically, that is how you can run your ad on Instagram and Facebook respectively. Thank you very much.